Hello and welcome in the legal round. Miroli Pathak. I'm gonna discuss today the Shivangi Bansal versus Sahib Bansal case, July 2025. In this case, Section 498A of IPC is involved. What happened that wife is a IPS officer has filed 15 cases against husband and in-laws. Supreme Court requests all cases divorce granted divorce granted under section 142 of Constitution and made wife to tender public apology. Supreme Court introduces family welfare committees before arrest under section 498A. What happened in this case? The section 498A Supreme Court directs IPS officer to issue public apology to ex-husband, his parents, for harassment. The husband and his father had remained in jail for 109 days and 103 days respectively in the cases registered by the women. In earlier order, the Supreme Court on Tuesday directed a woman and her parents to issue a public apology for the harassment caused by them to her former husband and his family members by initiating various cases against them. Section 498A Supreme Court directs IPS officer to issue public apology to ex-husband, his parents for harassment. IPS wife and her family asked to tender public apology for filing false cases against husband and in-laws by Supreme Court of India. Marriage dissolved on grounds of irretrievable breakdown. Court noted that the husband had spent 109 days in jail and his father 103 days due to false allegations made by the wife. Court observed what they have suffered cannot be restituted or compensated in any manner. No arrest until 2 months cooling period under section 498A IPC. Wife in this case, the wife is a IPS officer. Sahib Shivangi Bansal versus Sahib Bansal July 2025 case also stated that the cooling period of 2 months, no arrest until 2 months cooling period under arrest under section 498A IPC. So if you want to know more information, stay tuned with us, stay with us. So please like, subscribe and share my channel and